has been going around social media. Number one, I will not deny that Jack Maribe sio rafiki yangu, no. Jack Maribe is my friend. Na si Jack Maribe peke yake. Kwa media yote, almost everybody in the media is my friend. Kwa hivyo siwezi kana, I cannot deny Jack Maribe because she's been charged with the murder offense, niseme simjui. That would be a very big sin hata mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu. The truth of the matter is I know Jack Maribe, and I think on that material day, the 18th of September 2018, I had a show. I was invited by Jeff Koinange in the Jeff Koinange JKL program immediately after news around 9:45 p.m. na nilienda kwanza, nikatengenezwa na mapoda kupodolewa na wale beautician wa Citizen, and Jackie was there as a friend. She was there, and I remember very vividly throughout the campaign from 2013 we were with Jackie all over. Tulikuwa nao wote. At the time that guy Mapozi alienda kuanguka na ndege like Naivasha, we were all together, like na Jackie, yeah, kina Kiema, hatuwezi kataa hiyo. But on this particular case, immediately after the show, we were also with some other friends, Honorable Juju, Honorable Nancy, then Honorable I'm forgetting this nurse, what's her name? Sumbi. We were together in a showdown. So many guys were close to me that time. Then immediately after the show, the Gambia guys, let's go for a drink. On my way home, then I called Alan Igambi to bring a table for us. A table was prepared. We went all the way to Club 4040 as friends, as buddies. Not tutaki peke yake. Naona huyu sijui HSC Karen akona pepe mingi sana, ati sijui mimi nakulanga Jackie sijui nini, mambo mingi. You guys should not be that minded. This is an incident that happened, and we need to explain to Kenyans and to the public what really happened. It is true, we were with Jackie, and we had fun. Kinywaji, tukakula nyama choma, kuku choma. Then I think from around 3:30 am tukaanza kutokana. At around 4 or some minutes after 4, I left for home. I went home. Yeah. Yes. And that is what really happened. We didn't know what had transpired at Jackie's place, Jackie's residence. Mala alikuwa anaishi na Joey. But the truth of the matter, we were together. And I'll never deny that Jackie is my friend because she's been charged na murder. Yes, it would be very wrong. So that is the reality. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.